Alright, what's up YouTube? So we're back at it, another video. This time it's going to be on something different, something else we added to the channel. Of course we're going to keep on continuing with videos for the truck. But this is a 82 GS 550 Suzuki. It did have handlebars and a tank on it and somewhat of a seat. What we're going to be doing is make it into a cafe racer or possibly a bobber. Right now I'm just in the process of tearing it down. That way I can make sure everything works and replace what needs replaced. We're going to be rebuilding the carbs, rebuilding part of the engine, a lot of framework, and it came with these handlebars on it. So I guess they were going for a bobber type of feel with it. That's not exactly what I'm going to go for this time with it. I want to try to do a cafe racer style. It looks like the tires are in pretty good shape. I'm not sure if they're holding air, but right now they are. It had good compression from what I've seen. A lot of rusty, nasty parts. It has this old tank. So there's this old tank. So the tank of course sat on there and fit on there perfect. But inside you can hear it. All kinds of nastiness. Let's see if I can get a video of it. So, all kinds of nastiness, if you can see down in there. Full of rust. So, may replace the tank, may try to do something with it. Not sure yet. As I said, right now, just tearing it down. I got the handlebars off, I got the tank off, I got the seat off of it. Needs a new battery. I'm just labeling the wiring, that way if I put it back together, I don't mix anything up. That's where we're at right now. Stay tuned, because it's going to be a nice project to see. It's going to go through the whole process of tearing down, rebuild, paint, and everything. Like I said, we are going to continue with the truck videos, but this is a side project for now. As you can see, I've taken all the wiring off, wiring harness, other than the wires that are actually going into the engine, into the starter, motor, and everything, which that'll come out in a little while. Like I said, the frame's going to need a lot of work. You clean up all these sharp edges and get it ready for paint. The next thing to take off is going to be the wheels. But for today, this is where it's going to sit at. Until next time, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video about this, and don't forget we got more videos to come for the truck.